Hey guys, welcome to today's video, and today I'm going to show you how to add CarlBot for YouTube notifications to your Discord server, so it will like everyone my channel, and then it will post new video. And then there's also this YouTube one, but I'm not going to go into that one today, but let's get into it. So what first you are going to want to do is create a server. So this one's just going to be a test server. So test server, create. And then what you're going to want to do first is you're going to want to go to server settings and roles, and you're going to create a role. So you're going to create bots. It's going to be bots, and then save changes. And then you're going to add a channel, and it's going to be bot command, and you're going to make it private. Next, roles bots, or not bots. I mean, yeah, I guess you could say bots. I don't know. You're going to skip that one, and then you're going to go over to here and type in top.gg, and then you're going to put in CarlBot, Carl-bot. Then you're going to invite it. Going to press invite, and then you're going to select your server. So for me, it's going to be the test server. Then you're going to give it all the permission you want to do, you want it to have. Then you're going to press authorize, and you're going to authorize that you're a human. And then you can close the window. So then you're going to go to carl.gg. Then you're going to enter. Then you're going to press manage, test server for me, and then you're going to press docs. Then for your YouTube notifications, you're going to come over here to notifications. You're going to press on YouTube. And then you have what you have to put. So right here. So basically what you want to do is come over to here on your Discord server, and then bot command. CarlBot is on here, and CarlBot, you want to add the role of bots. So then you're going to press on it, and you're going to go back and exit. And then what you're going to want to do, and since I already have it in my actual server, it's right here. So you're going to want to come over to your YouTube channel. So you're going to want to come over here to your YouTube channel. So YouTube. Then you're going to come over to your profile right here. Going to go to your channel. So then you're going to, hold on. Then you're going to do that, your channel. Then you're going to copy that. You're going to copy this link, and you're going to copy it. And then you're going to come back over here. And what you're going to want to do is come into here, and you're going to want to type, exclamation mark. So you're going to put shift, exclamation 1, YT, and then space, and then you're going to put the link to your YouTube channel. So you're going to put space, Control V, copy that, and paste it there. And then you're going to put everyone in and author in curly brackets. So you're going to go curly bracket everyone, and then curly bracket, then author, and then what you're going to want to put is this. You're going to want to put has posted a new video. Has posted. So has posted a new video. Then exclamation mark. Space. Exclamation mark space. And then what you're going to put is, here is the link. And then so you're going to go here, here. I can't remember. Is that capital? Yes, it is. Here is the link. And then you're going to put these little 2 dots and then space, and then curly bracket, link. Space, curly bracket, link, curly bracket. Then you are actually going to send it, I believe. No period, just send it. And then just send it. And then yeah. So that's how you do it, and then it will just whenever you do it. Oh, I did forget something, I think. You're supposed to put hashtag general. Okay, so let me resend that. I'm sorry, guys. YT, and then Control V. Hashtag general. And then what else? And then everyone author, and then that, and then has posted a new video. And then here's the link. Here is the link. And then here's the link. All right. So you're going to send that, and then it's going to have this thing. Then it's going to give you the statistics, and it's going to say YouTube channel added. Notifications will be posted to hashtag general. Statistic, I have 191 views, 19 subscribers, and 14 videos. But also, if you want, instead you can add a new channel called like YouTube updates. Or YouTube updates, create channel, and then you can, instead of putting it in general, you can put hashtag YouTube updates. It will post to this It will post to this channel right here. But yeah. So I hope you guys, I hope this video is helpful to you guys. If you want to like add CarlBot, because it's very efficient. It has let's see. Yeah, it has a lot. It's in a lot of Discord servers. Like I think like 19 million, I believe, or something. I'm pretty sure that's not true, but something like that. So it's a very trusted bot. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope it was helpful to you guys. If it was, and you did enjoy it, please like and subscribe. And if it didn't, I'm sorry. Yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.